Students, today I am out and you will have a substitute. As you know, it is game day and that will still happen today. So I'm going to show you what you guys get to do for that today. So in typing.com, let's see if I can get this here with the right words. Typing. Holy. Oh, I am not having good results here. All right. So typing.com. You guys are going to go to the typing games here. Let's go to student login, and we'll go to. You guys are going to log in, but then you can go to the games, and any of these games you guys are welcome to play. The Nitro type is awesome. Unfortunately, it is blocked. Okay, so any of these you can play. Some of you guys, if you want to. Continue so that you have badges for next week. Next week's badges is going to be 4 more badges, so that will be a total of 7 badges. You must have 3 badges to play today, and the substitute will be coming around and checking for those. Please remember to be respectful to the sub, and that I will see you again on Monday. Thank you.